So I'm continuing on videos that feature traditional Japanese models. So we're going to be doing the samurai hat today. So we're going to use a plain piece of paper, again, just white on one side, colored on the other. We're going to be starting with the colored side face down. If you're using a pattern paper, you want to make sure that that's face down as well. And if you're using a double-sided paper, same color each side, it doesn't matter how you set it up. And if you're using one that is two different colors, you want to have the color that you want your hat to be on the side that's down on the table. We're going to fold this in half to a triangle here. I'm going to crease the paper really well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the right side. I'm going to fold the right side up as far as it goes to make half of a diamond. And I'm going to fold the other side up as far as it goes to make a complete diamond. So you have something that looks like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to rotate my paper around. I prefer, like, you could have had it like this and fold it down. I prefer to fold mine up when I'm folding the sides up, the sides to the top. So I'm going to flip it over, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these flaps and I'm going to fold them up kind of as far as it goes. So you go from this corner and this corner all the way up, and you do the same on the other side like that. Now, a lot of times in origami, we have very definitive instructions. So we go like point A to point B. But sometimes we have areas where you have to guess a little bit, or not guess, but you just sort of have to use your eyes to see what's going to work best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take on the right side, I have this flap here. I'm going to fold it down, and I'm going to go from this corner where my left finger is, and I'm going to fold it over like this. And what it's going to do is it's going to stick out nicely here. So you can see how it sticks out, and you can see like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we have it looks like this. And nice and flat, and we crease it. So it looks like this. At the bottom here of our samurai hat, we have two flaps. So you can see these two flaps. So this one, I'm going to fold up the top flap. I'm going to go about as far as it goes. I like to leave a little space. Traditionally, I've seen a little bit of space around the edges like this. So we have a little bit of space around here. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to fold that up there like that. And this is a little cute little samurai hat. And you could get a little props, like I have a little ducky, and you could put the little hat on the ducky. I think this is a little bit big for him, but we could do like that. So I will be doing other videos on my channel that will show you how to take something like this samurai hat, and you could turn this into a goldfish. And there's another video where we can take the same sort of base as this and make it into a turtle. So I hope you enjoy the other videos, and hit the subscribe button to get more updates on videos. Thank you.